Good morning, it is ClayTrader from ClayTrader.com. Just getting things set up here for the morning. Right now I'm looking at Bank of America. You can see over here, massive volume. Had some news out that apparently the market is not liking right now. So we'll see if I can get some traded in on that. But as always, I'll also be watching Facebook and see what else pops up. So I will keep you updated. Okay, going for an order here at 57.58. So I got some shares there. We'll look to sell those at 64. The reason I'm hopping in is just you can see just a huge red candle here, which basically started up at this upper wick here. So pretty overextended to the downside. If I need to buy some more shares, I will, but I mean this thing's in a pretty overextended state. And the 1 minute chart is showing that this is potentially getting ready to bottom out here. It may still go down further, but you know, at this point, it at least made sense. There we go. I'm out for $60. It made sense to get in there. This is the 2 minute chart, but you know, in combination with the 1 minute chart, you know, it showed that this was, you know, trying to bottom out. So there's my first trade of the day, $60. I'll try to catch some more. Okay, looking to pick up some at 57.20. Again, you can see this big downwards move has continued. So let's see if it can drop down there. I'm in. Try to sell at 57.25. Like I said in the previous trade, if I need to average down, I will. But I mean, this is already at such a big overextended point that it's gonna, you know, it's gonna have a tendency to bounce up, even if just a little bit. But that's a good thing about my strategy here. I don't need a huge move or anything like that in order to get out. 462 shares, so I got a partial fill there on my attempted sell, so that's fantastic. I love those partial fills. One minute right now, trying to put in a hammer candle, but we will see if it can bounce up there the remainder of the way. Trying to fight back into the 20s there. There's my order. You can see, well, highlighted right there. So I'm waiting up there at 25, and I am out again. So at 110, and I'll try to catch some more. Have an order in to buy at 58.85. You can see this big downwards move just continues. Actually, I want to go down to 80. There we go. So order at 56.80. The reason I did that is if I get filled out, it'll imply that this is a solid red candle all the way down here, which would, you know, once again be super overextended. You look over here at the 5 minute, I mean, look at this, just massive red candle. So this thing's overextended, and a dead cat bounce is coming at some point. When that is, you know, obviously not sure, but there's got to be some sort of dead cat bounce coming. So I'm in, now looking to sell at 56.85. But like I've been saying, if I need to buy average down and get some more, then I will do that. But I like my, you know, I like the entry given the already overextended state of the chart. So let's see if it can bounce back up there. I have 300 and now I'm out again. So at 160, see if I can catch some more. Have an order in at 55 to buy. Then we'll look to sell at 56.60. I'm in. Now looking to sell at 56.60. 200 were sold up there. So again, another one of those partial fills. I know I just keep repeating myself, but there I'm out now. 210, try to catch some more. I mean, I'm going to keep playing this overextended state. Okay, now I have an order in to go at short at 57.20. See if it can get up there or not. Nope, back below 50 set. Well, it looks like it's going to get closer. I will be back to try to catch the fill. Okay, might get a chance here at filling at 20. And now it goes back down. All right, well, it's had its move up there. So at this point, if it does break through, I'd rather get a little bit higher fill. So I'm just going to change that to 30. 20 may still work, but I don't feel confident enough. I think I can get a better entry point now, just after watching the chart and level 2s for a little bit here. So I'm going to put it up there at 30. And if it looks like 20 is going to break, then I'll come back and, well, here we go. And we can paper trade 20, see if I would have been okay at 20. Still 20 has not yet printed. All right, I'll stop the recording and keep you updated here. Well, this is frustrating. I mean, part of the gig, but if you look here, the highest it went on this move was 57.30. That's where my order was, and I didn't get any shares. I mean, I nailed the top of where it would move or go on this move here. Just didn't get any shares, and now you can see, I would have easily gotten the trade that I wanted, but that is just how it goes sometimes. But it goes to show the power of charts. Like I said, if you look at the high of this candle, it says 57.30. That's exactly where the order was. I just did not get any shares filled, so yeah, maybe next time. Oh, and I should note, the whole time when I was playing this, maybe you thought I was crazy, but I knew at some point this was going to happen. I'm not a reversal necessarily, but the dead cat bounce, something was going to happen, and here it was, finally played up. So I mean, all the way along, the downwards path here, in my mind, this sort of little blip, little dead cat bounce was just around the corner, and sure enough, here it is happening. And that's why I could play going against a trend like that, with confidence, just because I knew it was already so overextended. Have an order in to go short at 57.48. I really like the entry point if I can get it, so that's why I'm going 1,500 shares. But we'll see if it can get up there or not. This is based off of the 5-minute chart, so we'll track it here on the 2-minute. But again, based off the 5-minute, I am in. So now looking to cover at 57.40. So let's see what happens. If I need to, I will short some more. And you know what? My entry point's not looking as good as I thought it was. So I'm just going to change that to 45 to cover. And just accept that the level that I was so excited about apparently wasn't as good as I thought it was. So let's see how things play out. If I need to short some more, the chart you can see is very overextended, especially if I bring over the 5-minute. You can see, I mean, this is pretty darn overextended. In fact, I'm going to try to short some more up there at 70. Oh, if I can get it in even better, that'd be perfect. Try at 80 for 1,500 more. And I'm in, so my average is 57.64. I think I'm going to try some more up here at 79, another 1,000. Those ones did not get filled. Try to cover some at 60. And then cover some more. So I am out. Now I'm at 435 on the day. Hopefully you saw how that all worked. I built my average up to 57.64 on the 3,000 shares. Then I covered here, 1,500 of them at 57.60, and then the remaining 1,500 at 57.53, and came out very nicely. So yeah, my first entry point was not very good, but I managed it. And then, oh, you know what? And I was trying to get another 1,000 up at 57.79 and didn't quite do that. So actually, I need to quit talking and try to get some more trades here. 57.85. I like that as another area to start to build another position. So let's see if I can catch one more here. Oh, come on. Ah, darn it. The reason I'm really liking this is, if you look here, purple line here is a 50 period. It already went up there and hit it once, but just bam, again, the power of charts. That's where my order was sitting, and you saw I could not quite get filled there. So, bummer. Well, let's see if it can. All right, this video is dragging out. Let me pause it here. All right, you can see now down in the 55s here. So, and you saw how close I got to that within like 2 pennies or something. But I'm just going to wrap it up now at 11.5 minutes, $435 in profits, and it's now exactly 10 a.m. Eastern, so half an hour up 435. So a nice little start to the week. It's Monday and to the day. So if you want to learn how to do this, not necessarily day trade like you see me doing here, but just use charts. Charts can be used on any time frame. Yes, this is the 2-minute, but you can use them on the daily. You can use them to watch weekly action. Whether you're a day trader or swing trader or what have you, charts work on all time frames. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can go to ClayTrader.com, my blog, and look at the courses I offer, or you can check out the links below. That'll take you there too. So check those out. And sorry, I want to get another trade in there in case it pops up there. 58.10. So check those out, ClayTrader.com. Again, learn charts. I also have a trading group. You can hang out with me and other traders. So check that out too. Very cost effective for everything that you do get. Chat room, newsletter, all that good stuff. So again, thanks for listening, and hopefully you learned something.